Hello, I'm Carl, and this is Pro Cycles Tech Talk. We're coming to you from our world headquarters here in Springfield, Oregon, and today, beginning of April, we got a few tech items and some maintenance things you want to take a look at before the big riding season begins. Before we get started, don't forget, down there in the bottom of your screen, click that like button. Give us the big thumbs up because that's really important to us and it lets us know we're getting information to you that's helpful. One of the things we want to talk about today is chain and sprockets. Chain and sprockets are always important because that's the most efficient way you're going to get the power transfer, and having good chain and sprockets is going to ensure you'll get long life, better performance, and better mileage as well. Now, we have seen some people, they take big trips and the sprockets kind of get worn. And so they're out there, they're out in the bushes somewhere and they got a worn sprocket and they're concerned about it. And some people will take and flip the sprockets over to get the wear going in the other direction. We understand that has to happen sometimes. We don't like it. We'd rather get you some new sprockets or take some sprockets along. But there are situations you got to act a little MacGyver and get this thing going in the right direction for you. So flipping those sprockets over in an emergency situation, I guess that's okay to do. But one thing we want to make sure you do is when you flip the sprockets over, you got to take your drivetrain and we also got to flip that over. So we got that going in the other direction too. So we got the rotation and how it flares out and goes back together is going to get the even wear or new wear on the other side. So we want to make sure we get the chain flipped over if you're flipping the sprockets over. That's an important detail to make sure you don't have any issues while you're doing this temporary fix so you get back to a good place. One of the other features we offer here at Pro Cycle is we understand when you get new tires, tires have that releasing agent on it, which makes them a little slick to operate at first, and you got to get all that stuff scrubbed off, and you got to be careful how you do it. We don't want you to have any accidents. It does make a slick surface at first. We have a service we can offer for you. We could scrub in your tires for you. We have factory-trained, lean-angle technicians that will scrub off all the way over, like to the green strip. And for an extra fee, we can go from the green strip to the edge, that chicken strip. We'll get rid of that for you. With our factory-trained, lean-angle technicians, we got a variety of vehicles we could do this in, a variety of tires we could do for you. Let us know if you need your tires scrubbed in for you. Next on our agenda, we're going to talk about turn signals. Turn signals have improved so much over the years. Got one here to show you that we have. It's a fabulous turn signal, and it starts out with like a running light feature that it has, but it also has, if you have like an additional, I could tie it into a brake light. Maybe you could see that gets a little bit brighter, but also it has in it sequential turn signal feature. So you could turn it on and get yourself a little bit of sequential turn signal. That's a real good feature to be able to have on your bike, a turn signal. Extra lighting in the back doesn't hurt, keeps people aware you're in front and makes it a little bit safer for you. So we have these available. Now, every now and then, turn signals don't want to work right. They need a little maintenance. And as we've had before, we've had blinker fluid to recharge your turn signal. Now, the blinker fluids we've offered for a while, we've got this one, and we've come to find out that this one is good for the older British bikes. It's Wentworth approved, and it's actually certified by Lucas Lighting and Electronics. So this is a good one for the older bikes, especially old British bikes with their turn signals. This is going to make them shine happy, bright, and new again, and everything's going to go okay. We also have, for a lot of bikes, we have the synthetic blinker fluid for bikes that were made like in the mid-90s into the 2000s. This is a great synthetic product to have to recharge your blinkers. One of the features we want to talk about is how you recharge your blinkers. You get your ratio right, you kind of open it up, you pour some fluid in, and you would take your turn signals and just set them in, let them soak for at least an hour. Overnight doesn't hurt. Then you take them out and you got them good to install. You could do that also with conventional type turn signals, put them in, let them soak for a while, give them at least an hour, take them out. They're good to install. They're going to be nice, bright, and happy again. And whatever fluid you have left over, you can pour back in the container and you have it for next time. Also, one of the things we've done is with the modern bikes, we've had blinker gel. Blinker gel is a great product. It lasts twice as long as any of these, and with the modern bikes that have like factory LED turn signals and it ties into like the brake lights and turn signals tied together, the blinker gel is a must upgrade to have. This is going to add twice the life. The blinks are bright and crisp and they just seem to last so much longer. So blinker gel is also something you want to consider. For the newer bikes, that have Bluetooth technology where you could have your phone and you could look and say, hey, how's my bike doing? You got apps. You could do your mapping on there. You could do engine modification and stuff. We've also created a blinker fluid diagnostic app. And that was just, you take and you connect with your phone and you could recharge your blinkers with the phone app we have. We're going to show you a picture of that in a minute. It also gives you great information, how many blinks you've used, how many blinks you have left. You could recharge with this app. You could recharge the existing blinker fluid that's in the factory lights. You can make those blinkers great again with just the app we have. You could download it. If your bike doesn't have a Bluetooth technology, many of them have OBD2 that you just plug into the port here, or it's by the battery. You'll find it. You could just get the connection cord we have as an option, plug it into your phone with the blinker fluid diagnostic app. You can plug it into your bike and you can do all the blinker maintenance there. Again, it's going to tell you, how many blinks you've used, how many blinks you have left, and what the value of your current blinker fluid is. Does it need recharging? Is it good for more? You're going to have all these available for you with our new blinker fluid diagnostic app. And hey, as always, thank you for watching. And everyone here at ProCycle, we like sharing these tech stuff with you. We like helping you out. You got any questions or anything you want to see? Send us an email, drop us a note, let us know what you'd like to see. And don't forget to give us a like and thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel along with our ProCycle newsletter. And don't forget to like us on Facebook and Instagram. And remember, your adventure begins here.